French toast is one of those classic breakfast dishes that's not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to whip up. Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect French toast in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the bread. The best choices are thick slices of bread like brioche, challah, or even a good old-fashioned Texas toast. They soak up the egg mixture beautifully without falling apart. If you have stale bread, that's even better. It'll absorb the custard mixture without getting mushy. Now, for the egg mixture. In a bowl, crack 2 large eggs. Add half a cup of milk. Whole milk works wonders for creaminess, but you can use any milk you prefer. Next, a splash of vanilla extract adds a lovely flavor, so don't skip that. I usually go for about a teaspoon. For a little extra sweetness, sprinkle in a tablespoon of sugar, and don't forget a pinch of salt to balance everything out. Whisk it all together until it's well combined and frothy. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to heat up the skillet. I recommend using a non-stick pan for easy flipping. Set it over medium heat and add a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and bubble, but make sure it doesn't brown too much. You want that rich, buttery flavor without the burnt taste. Now, take your bread slices and dip them into the egg mixture. Make sure to coat both sides, but don't let them soak too long. Just a few seconds on each side will do. You want them to be saturated, but not falling apart. Carefully place the coated bread into the hot skillet. You should hear a satisfying sizzle. Cook each slice for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side until it's golden brown. Then flip it over and cook for another 2 minutes. The goal is a crispy exterior with a soft, custardy center. While that's cooking, you can think about toppings. Maple syrup is a classic choice, but you can get creative. Fresh berries, whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar can elevate your French toast to a whole new level. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg to the egg mixture for a warm, spiced flavor. Once your French toast is perfectly cooked, remove it from the skillet and place it on a plate. If you're making multiple slices, keep them warm in a low oven while you finish the rest. And there you have it, perfect French toast in just 5 minutes. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Whether you're making it for yourself or serving it to family and friends, this dish is sure to impress. Enjoy every bite.